What are you doing? You driving a car? Oh no, traffic jam. Oh, so annoying, isn't it? Oh, so come on, traffic jam. You do it. Yay, you're off again. Keep going. Oh, now you've gone backwards. You're turning around, are you? Go on then, off you go. See you later. Bye.